Hey everyone! Today I want to dive into the principles of wealth building through the lens of one of the greatest investors of our time, Warren Buffett. Now I know what you might be thinking. Warren Buffett? That guy's a billionaire. What can I possibly learn from him? But trust me, his principles are not just for the ultra-rich, they're for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. So, let's break it down step by step. First up, let's talk about the power of compound interest. This is like the magic trick of investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Picture this, if you start investing just a little bit in your 20s, by the time you hit your 60s, you could have a significant nest egg, all thanks to compounding. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Buffett himself has said that his favorite holding period is forever. He encourages us to think long-term, so if you're in your 20s or 30s, get started now. Next, let's discuss living below your means. I can hear the eye rolls already, but I want to enjoy life, I get it, I do. But here's the thing, frugality doesn't mean deprivation. Buffett has lived in the same modest house since 1958. He's not out there flaunting his wealth, he's making it work for him. Keeping your expenses low allows you to save and invest more. And please, avoid unnecessary debt like the plague. High-interest debt can sabotage your financial health faster than you can say credit card. Remember, the first rule of investing is don't lose money, and the second rule, don't forget the first rule. Now let's talk about investing in what you understand. This is where so many people go wrong. They see a trend, everyone's buzzing about it, and they jump in without really knowing what they're getting into. Buffett advises us to stick to industries and businesses we understand. If you can't explain how a company makes money in a few sentences, maybe it's best to sit that one out, and patience is key here. Buffett often holds on to his investments for decades. He's not looking for a quick buck, he's looking for solid fundamentals and the right price. Speaking of price, let's shift gears to value investing. This is Buffett's bread and butter. He looks for undervalued stocks, those gems that the market has overlooked but have strong business models. When you find a company that's on sale, that's your cue to buy. And here's the kicker. Ignore the daily stock price fluctuations. Markets can be irrational, but if you focus on the intrinsic value of a company, you'll be better off in the long run. Now when your investments do well, resist the urge to cash out early. Instead, reinvest those profits. This is where the compounding magic happens again. Let your money work for you and you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can grow over time. But let's not forget the importance of continuous learning. Buffett is a voracious reader. He spends hours each day absorbing knowledge. He believes that the more you know, the better decisions you can make. So whether it's books, podcasts, or articles, invest your time in learning about business, economics, and the markets. The world is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead you need to keep your mind sharp. Now let's talk about principles. Buffett sticks to his investment philosophy like glue. He doesn't chase quick returns or get swept up in market hysteria. Emotional discipline is crucial. You have to keep fear and greed out of your investment decisions. It's about sticking to your strategy regardless of the noise around you. And here's a golden nugget. Invest in yourself. This is something Buffett emphasizes time and time again. Improving your skills and knowledge pays off in ways you can't even imagine. One of his key investments in himself was taking a Dale Carnegie course on public speaking. He believes that effective communication can open so many doors, and I couldn't agree more. Now let's touch on diversification. Buffett advises diversifying your investments, but not to the point where you're spreading yourself too thin. Invest in a few strong companies rather than trying to own a piece of everything. Keep it straightforward. Avoid complicated financial products that you don't fully understand. Simplicity is your friend here. Finally, let's wrap this up with patience and consistency. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Buffett didn't become a billionaire overnight, it took decades of wise, consistent investments. So, resist the temptation to chase quick riches. Focus on steady, sustained wealth accumulation. And as a bonus, let's talk about giving back. Buffett believes in using wealth to benefit others. He's pledged to give away most of his fortune to charitable causes. This mindset shows that true wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's also about making a positive impact on the world around you. So, there you have it. A roadmap to potentially building wealth like Warren Buffett. It's all about consistency, patience, and a commitment to learning and self-improvement. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. If you follow these principles, you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term financial success. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your financial future.